Okay, let's see the anti-slip PVC flooring. We have different pattern: coin, diamond, square, and flat. The color is red, green, gray, blue, brown, black, etc. We can make different sizes. If you are interested, please contact us. Okay, let us see the sample. The coin surface, the bottom, flat. Also, we have the bottom with fabric, such as this. The fabric bottom, diamond pattern. The square pattern with fabric bottom, flat surface and flat bottom. This is our charcoal. It will be packaged in the paper tube and outer craft paper, and then in container. Okay, this is our anti-slip PVC flooring. Next, let's see the heavy-duty windy loop PVC rolls. It is the most popular PVC mat and sells very well. We can make the mat with or without backing, and we can make the color, single color or double color. You can see our sample. The charcoal will be packed by one bag and loose in container. Okay, let's see the samples. Without backing and with backing. Also, we have the backing with flat bottom. See? See this? With backing, with a single color wear. This is our charcoal. Red. This bottom is very soft, easy to install, and we can DIY at home. Okay, this is our windy loop PVC rolls.